Want to put it in one? Put it in there. Which color you want to make? Which color? You want to do blue?
Yeah!
Put it in there. Which one? Oh, good job. Want to do another one? Here's another one. Which color is it going in? Over there? Okay. Now, do we need to stir this one a little bit? I don't think that one was quite ready. Yeah? Is that good? Do you need to stir the other one? What about that one? Do you need to stir it? No, this one. This one. Not with that. This one. Is that pretty? Does that taste good? Is that good? Does it need some more water? Better stir the egg. There. Did you stir the egg lately? Are they done? Are they done?